afternoon. I'm Erik from Coastal 101.
I'm Kyle.
And we're here trying out AlpenFury today here at Canada's Wonderland. It's Canada's tallest, longest, fastest launch coaster, and here we go! Let's go! Woo! That gets better every time I ride it.
It's so good.
What do you think of it?
I think it's the best ride at the park for sure.
I don't know if it beats Leviathan for me. I might have to try a few more times, but no. This
Maybe
is
7 more laps?
Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. This is a ride that will improve with time.
Yeah.
No.
So good.
Come up here to Canada if you have the chance. We have Yeti Track open at Santa's Village, an hour and a half away. We have Canada's greatest launch coaster here, right now at Canada's Wonderland. Right on. Thank you for watching and have yourself a good day.